Bluehost Black Friday deals, and Bluehost Cyber Monday sale discount. Hey guys, Brian with WPQ Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost Black Friday deal that is also offered for the Bluehost Cyber Monday discount sale. You can get the same Bluehost hosting discount from Black Friday through Cyber Monday. To get this awesome Bluehost Black Friday deal or Bluehost Cyber Monday discount, just click the link I provided below in the description, and you don't need to do anything else to get the Bluehost Black Friday or Bluehost Cyber Monday discount. It is automatically applied by visiting the link. You will get Bluehost hosting for as low as $265 a month. Click the link below in the description and it will take you to the Bluehost home page. Click on the Start Saving button. You'll see 4 different plans: the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. You'll see the regular price under the Bluehost discount price. You'll see you can get the Basic plan for as low as $265 a month, the Plus plan for as low as $498 a month, the Choice Plus plan for as low as $445 a month, and the Pro plan for as low as $995 a month. As you can see, you'll be getting a great Bluehost Black Friday or Bluehost Cyber Monday coupon discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. I receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Enjoy your Bluehost Black Friday deal or Bluehost Cyber Monday discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.